Okay. I'm outside. And the leaves. It's super windy today too. So many leaves. Everywhere. You see that? Yeah, that too. Silly leaves. Let me just walk over here. Let me go in there in the leaves. Look at that, something's blowing over there. See, there's something there. Look right there. There's something right there, I see. And it's getting dark out, Stanley. Pretty soon. Look at this. This is Zoe's dad. Hey, get out of my face, Mr. Leaf. Okay, I'm back. Now let's see here. Yeah, that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just walking to my back. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is where you see here. Look at all the leaves. Looks like clouds are coming now. Bye.